Now, this is how you can reset the focus on iPhone. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe, and that way you'll never miss anything. So of course, you can go to the settings app, check out the focus modes, and you can tap on any individual focus which you want to reset. So for example, if I go to one which I created, the custom created one, I can click on the focus mode, click on edit, and there is going to be a little like reset button there. So I will have the ability to come back to the original icon and the color for that if I wanted to. That's just a quick reset of the way that it would look. But if I want to reset all of the things like the scheduling, the filtering, whatever, the way that it would work would be that I would delete the focus by clicking the delete button at the bottom, right? So it's pretty simple that way, so I can literally just do that. And then I'm gonna come back to the main focus page, click the plus button in at the top right, and re-add that particular focus mode. So if I deleted the personal one, I'll be able to re-add it back and I can start fresh, right? No like previews, filterings, or apps or contacts, whatever, will be present, so I can start from scratch again and set up the focus mode exactly as I want. So that is how it would generally work. Like, you can delete any focus mode and then bring it back again by clicking the plus button. So, it's a nice way to give it a quick reset. So let me know if that is the thing you had in mind. If not, and if you had some completely different idea about, the resetting of the focus, let me know about it below. It's likely I'll make an updated video about it as well. But for now, that's it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next tutorials as well.